Welcome back, guys. In my previous video, I showed you how to train the AI agent, how to do newsletter, and how to fix it. So I asked my agent, I created a new session, and I provided some context. Remember that the AI agent doesn't remember everything. So if you provide some context, what is saved in the configuration or some logs, the agent start to work fresh and with a lot of knowledge of what you are doing. For example, you can see here in my page, in my screen, you load some statistics in this folder, newsletter. Then you are connecting to Plonk with this API. Based on the statistics to improve clicks on my newsletter, of course, create this. And I provided a script. This is a video script. However, I am writing a newsletter. And I provided the whole information. The system worked, and then the newsletter was created, put it in draft. Okay, I mentioned in this part, good, love it, because I really like what I did, what the hunter did. And of course, he has some humor, and he said, yes, anytime, blah, blah, blah. Then I started with a bulk or workload. I would like to give you a document that has the same format of the source for the newsletter, and you create the same type of emails. I want the campaign, blah, 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 every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yes, started to ask me some questions about the time frame. I asked time 8 a.m. and the day had to start August 15, 2026. Got it locked, blah, blah, blah. So I uploaded a document that it has several video scripts to convert to newsletter. Please create all the campaign until all the scripts are completed and schedule for all days. And it started to work. That was 146, 149. It gave me some information and all 17 campaigns created and set it draft. Of course, it will not say send it. It gave me all the dates. And I mentioned, I think you missed the start template with the campaign because it has a requirement. Of course, it made some mistakes. We human, we need to confirm the result is right. And of course, it did a change it and created the 17 templates. Now I'm going to show you what my agent is. And normally took around 17 newsletter, 146 to 157, 11 minutes. Yes, I spent a few hours to train. Now it created 17 newsletter for me in 11 minutes. And I just leave it on it. And of course, I asked to collect something. Now let me bring Plonk from another screen. Here it is. Going to go to templates. You can see all the templates, September, blah, blah, blah. All the templates were created in Plonk. This is an open source. You can install. And then this is the information about the template name. It created some code. I'm going to select my email and I will have some preview. What kind of email? Of course, I provided some format and I explained in previous tasks something I don't like, something I like. I always ask to provide some useful information. I don't just want to talk and talk and talk. I want to provide useful information. So this is the thing what I did. Of course, I have my links for my books. And I started to provide some information, the call, final call to action, blah, blah, blah. Something that we need, right? If I go to campaign, let me move myself, campaign, you will see that he set up everything in draft. So if I go to the next one, today, before coming to start doing this video, I scheduled this one for August 18, 2026 at 10 a.m. This is scheduled. If I want to go to the previous, I can create this one and I can create the schedules. And I'm sorry, this is already set up. This is a schedule. This is for August 20. Let's do the other one. This is our subscriber, my email. Let me check the quality. Okay, the same format. I like almost everything the same. Real example, something like that. Okay, let's go schedule for later. This is for this coming Saturday, next week, August 22. I'm going to put 10 a.m. So what is my work? Only to review what it did and set the schedule. As a matter of fact, I think I can ask Hunter, my AI agent, to set the schedule for me. However, I need to review. I need to see if something is right. I don't want the agent make a mistake and send thousands of emails in the same hours. No, I need to check because this is a business. We need to treat my subscriber in the right way, not just spam. We don't do that. Thank you for watching.